Ah, what a beautiful morning. How long we been doing this?
24, 25 years.
Yeah, opening day of bass season in Michigan. Memorial Day weekend, Saturday morning, 6:30, quarter to 7, getting ready to do a little fishing. Some days we do great, some days we don't, but when you're hanging out with friends, it's always a good day. Sun's coming up, beautiful day. Another fish.
Boy, you hit hard.
Man, that's what we call a hammer handle. We'll take everything we get, but that's not legal, so I have to throw it back. Oh, God is good, amen?
Amen.
Catch a few fish, drink a little coffee. Oh, go back and grow up. So, celebrating a little quiet time, reflection and stories, and talking with a good brother on the lake. It's a good morning. Don't get enough time to do that, but life is short. Got to enjoy it while we can, right?
Live it well.
Live it well. Life is short, live it well. Take some time to enjoy nature and reflect on God's creation. Whoa, another fish on. This one looks like a northern.
Might be legal.
We only want legal fish. Whoa!
Here's a dancer.
Thanks for the entertainment.
Easy does. There, big.
Northern pike. For all you guys of the Philippines, it's got to be 24 inches.
I think he makes 24.
I think he makes 24. A little skinny, but good looking fish. Got some length to it.
Man, that was a good hit.
It's a nice fish.
Yeah.
There you go. That's 2.
You measuring? It's got to be 24. Oh, wait a minute. Let's do this real quick. It's easier.
Ooh, 25. You got a keeper, my friend.
We'll take We'll take him. Carmen was giving me a hard time about not having fresh fish last time I went fishing.
Keep the missus happy. That's why we come, right?
That's the only reason. That's it. Just for the women.
They need a break.